Providing alternative learning materials not only improves engagement for all students, but may particularly be used to accommodate students with disabilities by providing content with closed captioning. This tutorial demonstrates how to search for YouTube content that contains closed captioning. Within YouTube, use the search bar and type in the topic that you wish to search for. Click on Filters at the upper left, and under Features, select Subtitles. Scroll down and review the returned videos to locate an appropriate item. Be sure to check the closed captioning to ensure that it is accurate and was not auto-generated. Once you have selected a video, click on Share, located beneath the video. Click on the Embed icon and click Copy to save the embed code to the clipboard.